Hello students, myself Anupriya Singh Suman, Assistant Professor in CSE, SIRT Bhopal. Today we are discuss about introduction of XML. So outline is that XML, difference between XML and HTML, uses of XML, XML simplify things, XML key components, and also we are discuss about introduction to DTD and XML schemas. So simple introduction to XML. XML stands for Extensible Markup Language and it is used for storing and transferring data. XML does not depend on platform and also another programming language. You can write a program in any language or any platform to send, receive, store data for XML. Using XML. XML was designed to describe data and also HTML was designed to display the data. So XML is that XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. XML is the markup language much like HTML. XML was designed to describe data, not to display data. XML tags are not predefined. You must define your own tags. XML is designed to be self-descriptive. XML is W3 recommendation. So next topic is XML, difference between XML and HTML. XML is the extensible markup language. HTML is hypertext markup language. It is store and transfer data, and HTML it is display the data. XML it use a defined data, use a defined tags, and HTML it use a predefined tags. XML it contains the structured data. HTML it does not contain any structured data. XML it can descriptive uppercase and lowercase letters. It is called descriptive uppercase and lowercase letters. It maintains skipping and tabs, new lines, and any other write space formatting. It does not maintain white space. It needs to have a end tag. It does not need an end tag. It need structure or nesting. It does not need structure. Uses of XML. So uses of XML is simple for web publishing, for web searching and automating web tasks, then general applications and e-commerce या e-business applications. So web publishing is that XML allow you to create interactive pages, allow the customer to customize these pages and make creative e-commerce applications. So also web searching and automating web task is define XHTML. XML define the type of information contained in the document, making a layer to return useful result when searching to web. General application is that XML provide the standard method to access information, making it easier for application device to all kind of uses, storage, transmit and display the data. E-commerce, e-business application is that XML implementation make electronic data interchange is that EDI more accessible for information exchanging, business to business transformation and business to customer transformation. Metadata application and previous component. So XML make it easier to express metadata in portable, usable format. So next thing is that XML simplify things. It is simplify data sharing, it simplify data transport, it simplify platform changes, it simplify data availability. How can XML be used? XML is used to many aspects of web application, web development, and XML is often used to expand the data from representation. XML key components. One of key aspect of XML is how spread the syntax is. Here we go into more details regarding how two languages consist, elements, and next is provide the close the XML is important. For example, older format of HTML allowed the element to mess out of closing tags but would be legal with XML and before the XHTML. It is also important to remember the XML is case sensitive. This is our example. Then next is attributes. So attributes provide the additional information about the element. Like XML attributes value must be quoted and avoid the attributes used only to store metadata. Then next introduction is to DTD. DTD define to document structure with a list of legal elements and attribute. The first method used to provide the definition was DTD, document type definition, the HTML document that allow the DTD valid and well formatted. Why DTD? With DTD, each XML file can carry the description of its own format to verify if the XML received from outside were invalid. DTD building block is that elements, attributes, entities, PC data and CT data. XML attributes example is that element node, element to, element from, elements heading and element bodies. So HTML DTD above the interpreted like this. Node define the root element, define element node define the must contain to element to, from, heading and body. Element define to body, PC data, element defined to PC data. So heading is that heading element to be type PC data and body define the element body element to be type PC data. XML schema is that XML schema is a commonly known XML schema definition is that XSD. It is used to describe and validate the structure and the content of XML data. XML schema define the element, attributes and data type scheme. Element supports namespace. An XML schema describes the structure of XML document just like a DTD. XML document with correct syntax is well formatted. XML above interpreted like this. XML schema data type is that simple data type and complex data type. Simple data type is that the simple type allow you to have access a text based element. It contained simple data type and complex data type. Simple data type allow you to have text based element. It contain less attribute child element and cannot be left element. Complex element is that complex type is that complex type allow you to hold multiple attributes and element. It can contain additional sub element and can left empty. Thank you.